Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderers Travel. I am in Costa Rica in the R&L region of the country. It is about 2.5 hours from either the Liberia airport or the San Jose airport. I am staying at the Nayara Resort, which is comprised of 3 sections. There's Nayara Gardens, which is family friendly. Nayara Springs is adult only. And this is the brand new Nayara Tented Camp. It's less than 2 years old. It could be family friendly or it could be for couples. You honestly don't see any of the units around you. There's, I think, only 23 of them, and families can have ones that are right next to each other, but it's super romantic and very luxurious. I'm going to show you my unit, Toucan number 8. We're going to walk down here. Let's head inside. Guests staying at the Nayara Tented Camps can use any of the amenities at the springs and the gardens. There is literally so much to do on this property. There's thermal hot springs, there's a quiet pool, there's a sloth trail, armadillo trail, a great fitness center, yoga. There's lots of activities you can do on site. We just went and did some rappelling down the rainforest. That was a blast. It was 10 minutes away and only an hour and a half long, so we're back at the property to enjoy the afternoon. There's some great restaurants on property, or you can go into the town, which is La Fortuna. Outdoor shower, also indoor shower. And the bathroom is in that door there. There's closet in there. Mind my clothes, sorry. And these can be shut. And at nighttime they come in and kind of pull down all these curtains for you. So it's not what you think a tent would be like at all. I could easily spend 4 to 5 nights here at this property, fully relax, enjoy the trails, just walking around, all the activities to do, and we can plan this all for you. So reach out to Wanderers Travel with any questions. And stay tuned for more from Costa Rica.